Hey guys, James Wolfe here. Hey, today's the day. Google Gemini 3.0 has been launched. I am super excited about it. Everything on my X feed is just blowing up with Gemini stuff. I mean, everybody's going crazy about it. So in this episode, what we're going to talk about is how to connect to Google Gemini using CLI, the command line interface, directly from the terminal.
Welcome to Learn AI with James. Learn AI skills and build your future.
Now, whether you guys are developers and you're familiar with the IDE, you use the repo, you're vibe coding, or maybe you're a business professional and you're not really sure exactly what the heck I'm talking about, but you just learned about the CLI, about the terminal, about vibe coding from your IDE. This tutorial is going to be a quick one. It's going to show you how to connect to Gemini using the CLI. So you can see right here, this is a brand spanking new release here. It was just released 29 minutes ago. And if you click on the details, you will see that Gemini 3 has been launched officially. So that's really cool. I know everyone's been kind of waiting and waiting. But anyways, so what you want to do is if you're on a Mac, and I'm on a Mac, what you want to do is go to a terminal window. Okay, and I've got several different terminal windows here. Let's go to a fresh one. And what we're going to do, because I always forget it, is I go and I just Google it, how to install and run Gemini CLI. You can say the same thing for Codex or Claude Code or whatever, and you'll find the actual command itself. If you're savvy with this stuff, you already know it, but npm is like a code directory of some sort that has all of the different repos from a CLI standpoint. So you can see that this is up there. If you search for Gemini, we will find it in here somewhere. It's one of these. I think probably this one. You can see it was just published 31 minutes ago on the NPM website. This shows you how often it's downloaded. It's gaining a lot of popularity. And of course, it's all been updated. So what you want to do is you go here to this code. Now you can either install it with npm, which is what we just looked at, or you can use brew. It's just a different way to set it up. You can use either. You just copy the code. Okay, then you're going to go in your terminal and you're just at your root, just the root directory here. Now you want to paste that in. Make sure there's no extra spaces and stuff. The terminal window is kind of funky. Sometimes when you copy, it'll add spaces. So that's how you want to put it in. And then you hit enter. Now it's thinking, and what it's doing is communicating with the NPM site. Let it think and do its thing here. There's probably a lot of people trying to install this right now, so that just installed the package on my local device here. So that installed it, okay? Now you're going to want to actually run it. It's going to take a minute. Hey, here we are. Now we're in. So check this out. Pretty cool. That's the little artwork we've got. This shows that it's now installed and now it is running. What you're going to need to do is either get a Gemini API key or you can log in with Google. Now, if you're a power user, you can use the key, but otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my Google account. So now we're in. All right, pretty cool. Now, we want to take this one step further and we're going to actually connect to Gemini CLI directly from the IDE. Now again, if you're not familiar with IDEs, maybe you're not a developer, you're just getting into this, or maybe you're a business professional looking to use AI to help to scale your business. What I recommend is using a tool like Zed. This one's called Zed.dev. If you go to that website, you can download it. It's a free download. But I really like this one because you can open up a new window and it will keep your entire repo, all your files and folders. Right now, this is kind of a freshie. I don't have a whole lot in here. But it'll keep everything separate. So if you have multiple projects that you're running, either vibe code or you're doing some kind of strategic work or whatever it is that you're using the LLM, you want the LLM to connect with CLI directly in your repo. That way it has read and write access to all of your files so that you can vibe code and have the changes go immediately to the environment instead of having to copy and paste from something like Claude or Gemini desktop app. Okay, so this is basically the CLI allows you to bring the LLM directly into your project. All right, so after you install it globally, then all you have to do is just simply type Gemini into the terminal. Okay, so we're gonna go back over here. I've already installed it globally on my machine. That was what I did first in the one-off terminal window. Now we're gonna go here and we're just gonna click Gemini, and we're gonna just click Enter. And here we go. I am now in it. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. I'm already logged in. But what this allows you to do now is I can prompt the LLM and I can say something like, this is a new project. Let me organize my context and background info for you so that you can research and analyze. Then we will work together to build out the new site design. Thanks. Okay, so I'm just giving a quick prompt just to show you guys. So this is actually Gemini running now within my IDE. This is where I can build out my entire app, build out my whole project. And yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. This is pretty cool. So it ends up being super helpful for you. Make sure if you guys are interested and you'd like to learn more, go more in depth into stuff, we do have a private community. It's at school. So school.com/learnai. And we also have a brand new website launching here shortly at learnai.com. So thanks, guys. We appreciate it. Have a good one. Yep. Take care. Bye-bye.